is this thing on? Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night. Good night and good luck. I don't believe in luck. I believe in grid dynamics, and I believe in really, really hard work until the behavior becomes skilled and unconscious. And then I believe that synchronicity and acausality connecting principle will take over after the entire neural scaffold in the prefrontal cortex dictates exactly what the map of reality is to look like in the future. It's so simple. I can see why we missed it. The grid has consciousness, but no will. What does that mean? It means we pay the grid with our ego. The less you tether, the higher up you get to go in. Really, you need to start thinking about it in terms of things that undulate. Actually, backspin. Backspin. That would have been the worst free throw ever. Thank you, Hank. Sorry, that's my left hand, because this hand has a is missing the tip of the finger, thanks to a mandolin accident.